Welcome back to my channel. It's 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔 Here we are doing another DIY project at home. I'm getting good at this, everybody. So come along with me as I redo my front porch patio. I'm going to make a landscaping garden with stones. Here we are at Lowe's and my lovely hubby is packing all the bricks together. So far we counted about 300 bricks that we needed for our space. The first thing that we did was measure our space. Then we took all the grass out, flattened it, and went ahead to Lowe's to get those bricks and some plants. Then we actually bought the surfacing for the bottom of the patio. This is the foundation. These are little plaques. They're plastic. They're used for a foundation under the bricks. You definitely want to use these under your bricks if you want everything to be leveled and even.
Hot.
Who's hot? My husband's hot. So here we are putting the pattern down just to check it to see if I like it. You can do bricks any type of pattern that you want. You can go horizontal, you can go hexagon, diagonal, however you like, and you want to go ahead and measure that out as well so you can have enough bricks for the space. This was a simple project that took one weekend, so we worked on it Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I was really happy with this particular pattern. I was so happy I did the happy dance with my little boots on, but I was working as I was filming. Mr. Traveler wasn't doing all the work. I actually helped. I stopped to help film, and then once I put the camera down, I went to work again. So here he is putting everything down, and God bless his heart, he did such a good job. As you can see, we also had our house painted, and if you want to know about that, put it in the comments below and I can let you know all about it. Here is sand that we are putting down. This is not regular sand. This is brick foundation sand that when you wet it, it turns very hard, just like concrete. So you want to brush over everything, fill all in the cracks, the grooves, anything that you see that's wide open. You want to make sure that's filled in because eventually we're going to wet it and make sure everything is locked in. Once you wet it, I'm telling you, it turns to cement. You cannot move it. So we're gonna brush it over, fill in the cracks, and then wet it. It's that easy. We walk back and forth with this space all the time. I wanted to make sure it was very coastal. I love anything that's off the water. So here's our semi 80% done project. And as you can see, I added a bird bath. I also added a bird feed because I love to see the birds down here in the morning. I love to sit out here every day. So here's our final project. I added some more plants outside, added few palms in the front, and there's those stones I was telling you about. Is that easy? It's like ABC, but the only thing was it was 100 degrees this day when we were working, so we did it in the sun, which we should have just waited till the winter, but hey, I was excited. And the main thing you want to do is get a destination theme that you want to go by. You want to figure out which type of destination theme you want. Where would you like to go? What would you like to see all the time? There's Snowball. It was a very inexpensive project. These pillows and chairs, everything you see came from Lowe's because we live right down the street from Lowe's. This video is not sponsored, but we went ahead and got everything from Lowe's because it was very convenient. So ABC 1, 2, 3, you can have a porch within a weekend. We walk back and forth from this space every single day. I wanted to remake it so I can be happy when I pull it up in my driveway, and here it is. Sometimes me and Mr. Traveler come outside, we'll have some iced tea and sit there, and we don't have very many cars on our blocks, but we'll watch the fireworks because we live near Disney, so we can look up at night and see the fireworks from our front door. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit the notification button. That way you know when I'm uploading. I do a lot of house projects. I have been working a lot around my house. There is definitely more to come. If you want to, jump over to Mr. Traveler channel, where you can check us out on a daily, where we travel the world and we share our adventures with you. And if you love this idea, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you try it, make sure you share it with me at 𝐸𝑚𝑎𝑧𝑖𝑛𝑔. I would love to see your work, and I love DIY projects. Thank you so much for watching. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, everyone.